Hey, to connect CMF Buds into any Android smartphone, first of all, you will have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, and now you will have to open this case, click and hold this button that is located next to the USB-C port, and you will have to just wait until this indicator on the front starts blinking white. When it does, you can actually release this button, go into the Bluetooth settings on your device, open connected devices. I'm just gonna get rid of this previous connection, go to the pairing list, and now select CMF Buds from the list. Now accept pairing request, and in the next step I can also recommend you to go into the Google Play Store and download the Nothing X application. Take a look. So as you know, the CMF is actually from the Nothing. This is like the broader company, like for example the Xiaomi, Redmi and the Poco, and we can actually use the CMF with the Nothing X. So we have to open it, accept every permission, click start. Now we don't have to join for this improvement program, so we can click later, accept Bluetooth permission, and as you can see, now we are connected. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.